This is my business account. Remember, you can only boost a post from an Instagram business page. So I want to select a video to use.
Hi guys, this is Adaolisa here.
Next thing to do is you want to click on boost posts. You want to choose any of these goals, right? That you want to use to the goal you want to achieve for your ad. Do you want people to click on your profile? Do you want to send people to your website? Do you want people to send you a message? And do you want a mix of every of this? Now I want to select message you. Now an option has been given for you to select where you want to send your audience. You want to send them to your WhatsApp or to your Instagram. I'm going to select Instagram. Now, what action button do you want to show while your ad is running? I'll leave it at send message. Done. Then you go to next. Alright, so here you want to choose your audience. I have a bunch of audience already that I already have, but I'm just going to click on create your own so that you can see how to create a target audience from scratch. So first of all, you want to turn on this advantage plus audience option because Instagram does the work with it and you really don't want Instagram to help you find the audience. You want to create your audience yourself. So audience name, you give it a name. Next thing you want to do is to select location. My location is Lagos, so I'm just going to leave it as Lagos. You can always add more than one state, but I'm just going to leave it as Lagos. Click on done. Then the interests, the people that show interest in your business or the audience that show interest in your business, what are the things they have interest in, right? So automatically Instagram has given us this interest. So it's left for me to select them all. I'm going to be selecting clothing, online shopping, retail, fashion accessories, fashion design. You can always type in the interest here. Whatever interest you feel that people should be interested in, right? You can always type it in case it's not coming up. Okay, so if you are done here, you want to go here and click on done. Then you want to select the age and gender. Use the slider to increase the age or reduce it. And here I'm going to be selecting only female. So done. So now that you are done here, you want to be sure that yes is actually aligns with what you are doing. You can see that Odisa, the one I just created, that's what has been selected already. So you want to go to next. Now here you want to set your ad budget. I'm reducing it to the lowest, which is 3,101 daily. Then probably I want the ads to run for 7 days, or I want it to run for 6 days, for example, because this is a 20k ad budget. Because so the budget is supposed to be for 20,000 naira. So now you can see it here that the ad budget is 18,606 naira over 6 days. So you want to click on next. Now this warning icon is trying to tell us that the ad budget is low, that we might want to increase it, that we should try to increase it for better results. But I tell you that with this budget, you would still get good results. So you just go ahead to ignore it and proceed. So you can want to preview your ad from here to see how the ad looks like on the feed, how it will also look like on stories, right? Once you are done, you want to click on boost posts. But because I am not running this ad, this is just for this class, I'm going to leave it as it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.